911, what's your emergency?
My name is Nick Martin. There is a massive rain-wrapped wedge tornado heading directly for Joplin.
Tornado emergency for Joplin. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for extreme eastern Cherokee County in southeastern Kansas, western Jasper County in southwest Missouri, northeastern Newton County in southwest Missouri, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Bell Center, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Joplin. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Bell Center around 4:05 p.m., Central City around 4:11 p.m. Joplin around 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Duquesne around 4:30 p.m., Leawood around 4:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Airport Drive, Galena, Smithfield, Carl Junction and Oakland Park. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 18 and 4. Interstate 49 between mile markers 39 and 33. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a study building. Avoid windows if you are in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.